Welcome to the dawn of a new era, where creativity meets efficiency through the power of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into the world of inventions and automation, exploring how AI is revolutionizing industries, shaping futures, and redefining what it means to innovate. Join us on this journey through the lens of AI's transformative impact. Artificial intelligence, once a figment of science fiction, has now become the backbone of modern innovation. From self-driving cars to smart assistants, AI's capabilities have expanded beyond mere computation to creative problem-solving and inventing. We explore the roots of AI and how it evolved from a computational tool to an inventor's companion. AI in automation is not just about efficiency, it's about breaking down the barriers to invention. We delve into how AI algorithms are discovering new materials, optimizing designs, and even predicting future inventions, making the once impossible possible. Imagine a world where AI designs your clothes, creates new recipes, or even crafts the next breakthrough in renewable energy. We showcase real-world applications of AI in various fields, illustrating how automation is not replacing creativity, but enhancing it. With great power comes great responsibility. We address the ethical considerations of AI in automation, from job displacement to decision-making. What does the future hold for AI and inventions? We explore potential paths, challenges, and the ultimate quest for a balance between human creativity and AI efficiency. The fusion of AI and automation in the realm of invention is just beginning. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, the possibilities are limitless. Together, let's embrace this revolution, where AI not only automates but innovates, transforming dreams into realities.